have in my hand a HDMI to Scart converter. So how this works is we have an output from a set-top box, for instance here, that in theory might only have a HDMI output, and on it what we do is we convert it over to a Scart input here. So there's basically two component parts to it here. This originally comes to us as an RCA, as a HDMI to RCA converter, but what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to convert it directly over here like this. And what I have here then is this. I'm going to take the HDMI input on this, I'm going to push it directly in, and I'm going to connect it straight in here. So remember, the yellow is for video and the white and yellow is for audio left and right. And we're going to push this in. We have it set to the Scart input, and hopefully we'll have a picture, and we do. There's EW2N showing quite well. Now, this won't always work. If we had a very long run here of cable, a very long HDMI lead for instance, we might find that this wouldn't power successfully for us. And if that was the case, what we would need to do is use an external power unit. So we could do it in one of two ways. We could use the converter that comes with it, and we could power that off a USB port and it would power it, or we can actually buy an external power unit, plug it in. But in a few tests we've actually done on this, it's worked just straight out of the box. So to that extent, we'll say this is a really nice product. The design on it's great, the price point is good, and it's an innovative product. We were looking out for this because we know what the alternative to this is because if you have a television that doesn't have a HDMI input on it, have a box that doesn't have anything except a HDMI output, which is becoming quite common now, what you'll end up having to buy a new television here. So I'm a Green Party member, so it's my green credentials are actually improved by doing this as well, because it's allowing us to reuse existing ones so it'll work directly with the new technology of HDMI.